This is your Friday, getting towards the close market update. You can see I've got a bunch of stuff on my desk here. Don't pay attention to it. It's just another business that I have that's actually picking up a little bit in steam as well too. I buy and sell classic Hot Wheels and Matchbox collections. This is 1968 Eldorado. As you can see, it's traded about 50%. It's about $85 car. Some of the other stuff, just some of the other stuff that I do. There's a $28 car. There's the Hot Heap from 1968 Hot Wheels as well too. And Beatnik Bandit from 1968. I had a client asking me for these and I happen to have them in stock. So they're all sold. I just have to ship them yet. I have to actually send them an invoice form as well too. But anyways, let's look at the stock market. We are now in rally mode. We broke into a big rally here, folks, on the news from the Supreme Court that babies get to be born in the United States. That means population is going to increase. That means that businesses are going to have more people to sell to. That means that Procter & Gamble is going to have to produce more diapers. They're going to have to get their production line running as hard and as fast as they can possibly get. That means that everything is going to be produce, produce, produce all around the globe. Great news for population growth. Great news for businesses. That's why the stock market soared today on the news. All kinds of new mouths to feed. So if we do the math, what are we expecting from our rally? Let's go over here to the desk, shall we? Live from the news desk at Brian Price, Stock Market Watcher. If we do the math, 0.8371 divided by 0.8331 is a 4.75% gain, and I've been doing this for you for the last week. I've been showing you that the market's going to be going up to 31,000 over and over and over again. Well, we have a new number now. Or I'm sorry, 32,000. I actually said 31,000 too. Where we're at right now. Doing pretty good at this. So 4.75% from yesterday's close, which is 30,677. 4.75% is 1,457 points to the potential upside of this market, as long as all the data sets hold steady. What does that mean? That means that we have the potential of, drumroll please, a new number, Dow 32,134, Dow 32,134 in this rally. How strong is this rally? Let's go back up here. Let's take a look. Here's the industrials breaking out. Here's the healthcare, doing fine. It's actually got to its expectation as well too. 128.60 was its expectation. 128.60 was its high for the day. It got there. Hey, spreadsheet's pretty good. Who else has ever told you that from 120 to 128 was in the cards, and it actually got to the exact point before it started selling off actually on the day too? It's the benefit of this spreadsheet thingy. The math in here is just phenomenal. Anyway. It's supposed to not be possible, but you're watching along and seeing how possible it is. How possible it is. XLF, I did go in and trade the XLF. I bought it at 31.32. I had an out point at 32.25, and as you see today, it got to 32.36, and it's at 32.28. So I'm still above, but I sold for my 2.2% gain. Thank you, XLF. And it's good to see that the financials are coming in. They're actually starting to win. They should have good profits with margins opening up. Here is the XLC. It's breaking out too. Woohoo. That's communication sector. It's going good. People are talking. And here's the XLY, which is the consumer discretionary. Air flights and cruises. Cruises were up today. They've been beat, but supposedly maybe somebody's going to actually go on a cruise now that there's going to be more babies born in the United States. I'm not sure. Maybe there's going to be more babies conceived on cruise ships in the United States. I am not sure. Not going to go there. Not going to say anything about any of that. It's not in the cards. But we can see that consumer discretionary is coming back. Here is a breakout too. Wow, do the math. 0.8354, 0.8304. Do the math. On XLB, okay, this is the materials sector. So if we're going to have all these new babies in 18 years, new adults in 18 years in the United States of America, we better get going right now and getting all of the minerals we're going to need out of the ground for all of these people. And minerals are a very limited supply. So minerals broke out. All of this stuff's breaking out. Farms, minerals, all that stuff is in that sector. Here is the XLK technology sector. Again, on the technology sector, you're welcome. I had told you that 131.16 to 132.94 was in the cards. Look where we're at, 132.71 for the high today. Haven't quite hit where we're expecting to go to yet, but 132.26. Who is there? Is there anybody on the planet that told you that, hey, the XLK is breaking out and look for it to go 131.16, 132.94, which is right where it's at right now. And one of the benefits of this spreadsheet thingy. So don't know why it works so well, but it works so well. I don't know how I was that smart, but I've been that smart. XLU is the utility sector. It's breaking out a little bit too there today. So that sector's up. All 11 sectors, all 10 sectors. Oh, here's a sector that's not. What sector is this? The XLE, energy. Joe Biden hates energy, he wants to crush energy. So he's still crushing it, even though he's mad about the abortion thing today. Poor Joe. Anyway, it is doing something, 71.99. And you can see there is no activity yet to be able to go into the energy complex. Here is the XLP, which is grocery stores and all that stuff. Everybody's going to be running. There's going to be more mouths to feed. The groceries are going to be going up and away. And it is breaking out. So we've got 9 of the 10 sectors that I watch breaking out. I haven't done Real as of yet in the spreadsheet, or Oxy yet in the spreadsheet. We know that Oxy's numbers aren't going to be good because it's part of the energy sector. We know that Real's numbers should be starting to look a little bit better. They're in the fintech space, so they should be doing a little bit better. But anyways, this is your Friday update. We are in a confirmed rally. We expect our rally to run to 32 now, 32,134. 32,134 now baked into the cards. We'll see whether the data sets keep us there on track for that. Next week is a new week, but we are in rally mode. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Let everybody know about this channel. I am pretty damn good at this stuff. So that's why I do it, so you can follow along. And you can follow along with the trades that I make as well too. Every sector is in rally except energy. I'd stay away from utilities at this point, because utilities should start losing some money out of them as people say, oh, things are good. But we're rallied to 32,134. Have a great weekend. Feel free to share some comments on these videos as well too. I'd love to have you do that. Like this page, let your friends know about this page. If there's specific stocks you wanted me to watch, I can plug them into the spreadsheet, or I can send you the spreadsheet and you can go ahead and plug them in yourself. All I gotta do is ask for that kind of stuff. But have a great weekend. I'm gonna be out there just celebrating a rally. And I actually sold a house today too. It got done, so that's good. Got a new family moving to Windsor. Got him an awesome house here. And super excited for him. So anyway, that is that. Enjoy your weekend. Have a great day. Bye.